Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding or pairing a new Bluetooth device to your Android phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Before you try to connect your device to your phone, you need to make sure that the device's Bluetooth is on and that it is in pairing mode if it has it. Pull down from the top of the home screen of your phone to get to the Quick panel. Then hold down on the Bluetooth icon to open up the Bluetooth settings. You will see your paired devices and any available devices. Under the available devices, tap on the device that you would like to pair. Tap OK on the pop-up. Once your device is connected, you can tap on the settings cog to the right of the device name. You can rename your device by tapping Rename in the bottom left corner. You can also disconnect and unpair your device from here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.